Wouldn't it be nice for a change to get fair value for your dollar, to be able to pay less and get more for your hard-earned money? Like dreams of winning the lottery, it sounds too good to be true. But when you consider building a factory-built home, the dream of value for your housing dollar becomes a reality. Today's manufactured homes are quality constructed, aesthetically pleasing homes built in a factory that allows home builders to pass along the savings over traditional site-built construction costs to home buyers. And your investment in a factory-built home is protected. Between 2014 and 2019, manufactured and modular houses appreciated in value at an astounding median average of 39%, on average 6% more than site-built homes. Not only do manufacture and modular homes appreciate in value, but they also cost substantially less than site-built homes. A 2020 report by Fannie Mae found that the average site-built home cost over $300,000, whereas a comparable new factory-built cost over $100,000 less. The biggest difference between a traditional site-built home and a home constructed in a factory is the size of your bank account, which will always be a lot bigger when you choose a new, modern, manufactured or modular home